Okay, so this is the stand pre-assembled. Just showing where the sticky bits go. Don't forget this base here. So it's just to give you an idea of what it looks like when it's assembled, what you should be looking at. That's the shelf. I haven't put the shelf on yet. Shelf on with it lying down. Just that's a screw-headed bolt there with a washer. And what threw me for a while is that plastic unit. Is actually the nut. It's actually the nut as well. So it's threaded. Don't make the mistake I did. First time round I forgot to put in the trim bit there, which provides extra protection and stops it wobbling about, I guess. Okay, so you can do a lot of this with the unit lying down. So now I've got to go to the TV. Now the only trouble with assembling the TV side of it is that they give you lots of extra bits depending on what type of TV you've got, so you have to find out which ones you don't need. So I've lifted the television onto the stand. I tried to do it with it laid down, but that's not even possible. That's not easy, so I've done it standing up. Initially, it just hooks it. TV just hooks on top here, okay? And you can then adjust it as you like. Then to fix it so it's not going to be not easily knocked off or whatever, you've got this unit here. That hooks in. I pre-threaded the nut on it, the bolt on it, sorry. There's no nut. And then once it's in place, I just tighten it, and it just wedges the thing. It wedges the thing. And when you try and wobble the TV a little gently, you'll find it doesn't move. So that's really the critical part. Here, I haven't screwed this up yet. I've just placed it on. Can you see how it's done? And I'm just going to tighten that, hand tighten it, and then just give it a twist with the screwdriver. And that's really it.